Wish 107.5 has you going. Wishers, time on the clock is 7 minutes before 7 p.m. Back with your boy DJ A to the D to the AM. DJ Adam on board the iconic Wish 107.5 bus, which today is parked right here at Eton Centris, and the open parking is packed. Not with cars, but with a single bus, and of course, 18 makes a noise! We are all here for the highly anticipated Wish Bus comeback of none other than the P-Pop Kings. We got Josh, Pablo, Stel, Justin, and Ken, collectively known as SB19!
Good evening, everyone!
Yes, sir. Boys, welcome back on board the Wish Bus. How's 2025 looking so far?
Sobrang exciting ng 2025 kasi nag-release kami ng new album. Siyempre, magpo-promote kami. We will be going on a world tour. Kasama namin ng 18. So, puntahan niyo po yan. Abangan niyo po yan. Maraming
Yes, sir. Simula at wakas. Let's do some hashtag way back Wednesday muna. Since nasa Wish Bus tayo, do you have a clear recollection doon sa unang-unang bisita nyo sa amin sa Wish Bus at kung anong kanta yun, ano yung pakiramdam the first time you step foot inside the Wish Bus?
Yes.
Ano kami nun eh? Power Rangers kami nun.
Sa totoo lang.
Paranaque?
Paranaque.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sukat,
oo.
sukat.
Malapit
Sukat.
sa ano. Go up po yung perform namin nun, tapos yung jacket namin. Para talagang Power Rangers, iba-iba kami ng kulay.
Solid.
Sa-
White pa yung hair ko nun eh. White hair.
Tapos, syempre po, looking back, sobrang nung time na yun, pangarap po kasi talaga namin makapag-perform dito.
Sobra.
So, yun, maiyak-iyak kami. Talagang parang dream come true talaga yung nangyari na yun. And sobrang happy kami na nakapag-perform dito sa Wish.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for your appreciation. And let's look back even more. How different is it though? Mula nung day one ninyo, na ngayon, you are the kings of P-pop. Sabi ko nga, is it any different? Does it feel like a homecoming somehow na nandito kayo ulit?
Actually, every time we step sa Wish Bus, parang ano talaga siya eh. Panibagong experience. Kasi pagka nandito naman kami, talagang nandyan yung 18 to support us. Pero iba kasi pagka nag-perform kami dito, bagong song, bagong album, and now bagong EP, parang bagong experience siya sa amin. So gusto namin ma-experience. Ano ba talaga yung pakiramdam every time we step here, na iba yung dala naming bala. So yun po talaga.
Yes,
But
sir.
ang pinaka-common naman na hindi nawawala is yung kaba. Pero ngayon mas excited kami sa gagawin namin tonight.
Right. I love the pun, by the way. Anong pakiramdam?
Yup.
But anyway, syempre, different story din yung mga individual releases, di ba? Pero ngayon nga, fast forward to today, you guys are where you're at such a pedestal, di ba? I just want to ask, what are you ultimately thankful for? Anyone could answer.
Well, ultimately, siguro, syempre, thankful kami sa mga tao sa paligid namin. Sa mga patuloy na naniniwala sa amin from the get-go. Syempre, yung mga staff namin from 1Z, lahat ng tao na nandyan, nakaback sa amin palagi. And of course, our families. And of course, 18. At syempre, yun, maraming kami gustong sabihin dahil thankful nga kami, pero for sure hindi tayo matatapos ngayon dito pag sinabi namin lahat.
Right.
Kaya maraming salamat at ngayon nandito sila lahat. Sana mag-enjoy sila.
Very well spoken. Parang tatakbo. See, I'm just kidding. But anyway,
Maglalakad lang.
maglalakad lang. I just got another question though, kasi diba, you were at the forefront of P-pop when it was ridiculed, no formative stages pa lang. But guys, you made it cool, you made it sexy to be part of the P-pop realm. Ano naman yung mensahe nyo para sa mga new entrants sa scene? Yung mga gusto mag-follow ng footsteps ninyo, ano yung words of encouragement nyo for them?
Grabe yun. Just napakalaki naman nun. But, yeah, feeling ko isa lang naman talaga. Napaka-basic niya, napaka-cliche. Pero, kailangan siya ng lahat marinig is never ever give up. Kung ano yung dreams nyo, kung ano yung pinangahawakan nyo. Kasi, kung yung ibang tao, sabihin natin sa umpisa natin, hindi naniniwala, pati ba sarili mo, hindi mo papaniwalaan. So, you better believe in yourself. Kasi kung meron mang hindi naniniwala sa'yo, nandyan pa rin yung sarili mo at pamilya mo maniniwala sa'yo. Marami kayong pagdadaanan ng mga tough stages, mga rough roads. Pero kung grabe yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo at alam mong kayang-kaya mo, huwag kayong matakot. Kasi kayo yan eh. Kayo na yan, guys. Wala na kayong dapat katakutan.
Yes,
Just
sir.
do it.
Yeah, siguro add ko lang in relation to trust. Importante din for a group setup na may trust kayo sa isa't isa.
Right.
Although mahirap siya, hindi siya ini-impose, ina-earn siya.
Right.
Kailangan siyang i-earn para mag-succeed din kayo, especially as a
Kailangan mo
group.
ng trust tsaka ng thrust.
Right, and I do want to ask, kasi nga, di ba, you are very closely bonded as compared to the other artists na nag-ooperate within groups. Parang sabi nila sa stage lang sila nakapag-bonding. Kayo ba ano yung common form of bonding ninyo outside the bounds of stages and studios?
Common to. I mean, feeling ko mag-agree lahat.
Aha.
Sa gym.
Wow!
Lahat na to. Lahat to nag-gym na. Lahat nag-gym. Pero, oo, talagang kanya-kanyang baon to. Itong isa parang pa-instructor na eh. bawat galaw
Seryoso?
bawat galaw namin.
Sa totoo lang.
Ayan, ano mo yan? Ano mo
Ito mo.
ba?
Hindi
Para tamaan
mag-perform
yung
mo.
ano.
Ba't kakainin mo?
Dati ganito.
Sa kanya na nga kami mag-a-apply eh.
Dati hindi siya masyado nag-gym sa studio lang. Ngayon, laging, tara, punta tayo gym, Josh, Grabe yung ano na ngayon, araw-araw, addict na.
Yes, sir. And it really shows, by the way. Pablo, you're gonna add something?
Most times kasi work talaga eh. Everyday magkakasama kami sa work.
Right.
Pero kung meron man yun talaga yun. Gym. Pero online games, basketball, ganyan.
Solid stuff. Now we are gonna get right down to the chase and speak about business. Simula at Wakas, you got a back-to-back concert on back-to-back evenings. What can the fans expect?
Nako.
Expect a very, very different and, outer space kind of performance. Very intergalactic performance.
Ako, I'll vouch for that kasi member namin. Pero, first time namin sa Philippine Arena, yun yung
Solo.
pinakamalaking indoor venue para sa isang sa buong mundo. So, talagang may make sure namin na talagang pang-intergalactic yung performance namin. Siyempre, yung arrangements ng mga kanta namin, siyempre yung production ng buong show, diba, effects and all, lahat yan magiging malupit. And marami pa kaming surprises, so abangan nyo lang.
Gusto ko nga magsalita eh, pero pipigilan ko nila yung sarili ko. Magpipigil ako.
Okay, don't want to preempt stuff, no? Baka may madulas eh.
Madulas pa na.
Kasi baka mamaya pag sabihin ko, biglang ma-sold out yung day 2 eh.
Actually, yun, sold out na kasi agad yung day 1 namin.
Congratulations.
And it's first day of selling. Pero yung day 2 kasi, yan, meron
Bibigyan mo
pa
na ba sa
tickets.
akin
So,
yung pag-event?
yung mga hindi pa nakakabili, meron pa kayong chance sa manood.
Oo nga, kasi grabe talaga. Ayoko nang sabihin, pero kasi sa day 2, ay nako talaga. Gusto niyo bang mauwi si Pap? Ayan.
Right, but so from the Simula at Wakas back-to-back concert, we got the Simula at Wakas album mismo, right? So, ano ba yung paborito niyong kanta individually doon sa album na yun? You can be creative. Maybe paboritong pre-workout jam or paboritong i-perform live in front of a large audience
Oh
or
my God.
paboritong sound trip lang.
Siguro kung karaoke, paborito ko yung Quit.
Okay.
Kasi wala lang, ang sarap kantayin ng chorus na yun.
I have all the songs sa playlist. Meron kasi akong yung sa ganun. So, parang lang siya. So,
Playlist.
Yeah, I see.
so, it depends sa kung ano yung vibe na kanta. Talagang mapapabuhat ka na.
So pag bench press down, kapag
Paano yung
tricep,
time?
diba?
Paano yung time?
Ha?
Sa treadmill.
Pahinga.
Yoga. Pag nag-yoga.
A bit upset.
Ako weird. Pag naliligo po ako, pinapatugtog ko doon ka habang naliligo.
Yung mga germs.
Kasi yung mga dumudumo ba sa'yo na sa mga kasama mo sa bahay?
Hindi ko po alam eh.
Doon kayo.
Ang nasaya lang po maligo ng kumasayaw. Nasarap din maligo ng gumagano.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But speaking of Duka, grabe yung music video nito. How did that come about? How did you put together such a stellar roster of stars? Sila Maymay, Vice Ganda, sila Wrecker, di ba? Alodia was there too. Sino ang on top of things?
Totoo lang, di naman yun plano namin. Nung una po talagang simple
Low-key
lang
lang
yung plano
dapat.
namin, low-key. Kasi we've spent so many
Yes.
time sa una naming music video for
Right.
Dam. And we were planning na sana simpler lang to. Pero yun yun, ang daming plans, ang daming ideas. Tapos doon na nagsimula na mag-invite ng mga artists na talagang meron din gustong sabihin sa industry. So ayun, one by one, people started contacting yung mga friends nila na artists, si Josh, si Kuya Wrecker, Alodia, ayan, sina Malupiton, I don't know if you're familiar.
Maymay.
Sina Maymay. So, nakakatuwa lang na game din sila gawin yung music video.
So, basically, hindi siya parang business transaction. Para siyang naging tropa-tropa vibes.
Yeah,
Yes,
definitely
sir.
na.
Solid
As in,
stuff.
very thankful nga kami lahat sila. G agad, parang hindi na like, uy, ano, parang alam mo yun, walang hesitation talaga.
Right.
Game
Saka
like,
grabe, parang biruin nyo si Ate Vice sasama sa music video ng SB19. Parang hindi ko pa siya in-expect na papasok siya ganito agad. Siguro, inisip ko baka after 2 years, or 3 years, pero grabe. Napaka-supportive din kasi talaga ni Ate Vice. Kaya Ate Vice, if you're listening or mapanood mo man to, again, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much po. Even yung mga nakasama namin ibang artists, we are very thankful and honored na nakasama namin kayo sa music video.
Yeah.
Super
Yes,
happy.
sir. Yes, sir. You guys most definitely deserve the support, not only from the A-Team, syempre pati yung fellow stars ninyo in the business.
Super.
So, it's such a refreshing encounter na napagkwentuhan natin to ngayon. Pero ngayon, we are to hear this track entitled, So, without further ado,
Let's go.
live on board, the iconic Wish 1075 bus, SB19's Wish Bus Comeback Jam on Wish 1075.
Let's go.
Pagiramdam, bumanag sa walang hanggang-hanggan. Iba sa padamdam, ang katapusan ng lahat ng lahat tinipon. Kahit hindi ka ikaw na di ko kaya tagusan. Ang ko ng kamalasan ay nag-aabang. Di ko galing tumakbo, dito lang ako, kasalanan sa paggusto. Lahat ay may dahil. Sige lang sa maghaba, lumabas, di kita rin sa'kin.
Thank you so much, WT!
There you have it, Wishes SB19 with Damn, part of their latest album, Simula at Wakas. Incredible stuff. Boys, please invite everybody to once again have that song downloaded and streamed.
Yes, our latest EP, Simula at Wakas, ay mapapakinggan na po sa lahat ng music streaming platforms online. So please check out our social media accounts. Just search for SB19 Official or Official SB19. Consists of 6 variety genre songs.
Happy na. Anim na kanta. Isipin mo yun.
Solid. You guys blew the roof off of the Wish Bus on your comeback. Maraming salamat.
Salamat.
You just dripped some swag sauce right there. Grabe yung energy. And now we are to shift gears. Kwentuhan muna tayo ulit. Hindi naman sa minamadali namin kayo, pero the fans want to know, what's there to look forward to after Simula at Wakas?
Of course. Siyempre, marami pa kaming paparating na mga plano.
Natahimik.
Mahirap kasi magsalita.
I feel
Yun nga
you, yeah.
yun.
But for sure, siguro one is that we have 6 songs eh.
Right.
So, for sure, magkakaroon sila ng time to shine isa-isa.
Yes, yes. So,
That's fun.
Right.
Pero syempre, kaya nga simula at wakas eh. Every wakas, merong panibagong simula. Yun lang yung kailangan nila tandaan. Kasi hindi doon natatapos yung lahat. Hindi sa simula at wakas tatapos ang lahat.
Yes,
Merong
sir.
pang kasunod at merong pang kasunod. So, meron silang aabangan. And malayo-layo pa yung lalakbay namin with it.
Oo nga, malay mo, may balibagong anim. Anim na member ng SB19.
Members pala yung bago. But hey, thank you so much for sharing with us. And
you, bro.
to the 18, there's a lot of stuff down the pipeline this 2025 alone, right? So from fast-paced and high-octane songs, meron na rin isang kanta dito na medyo mellow, and we're gonna dive down deep into the fields, right? This track entitled Time, ano yung creative process nito? Kaninong hugot to? Sino nag-arrange? Sino nagsulat?
Actually, yung naka-collaborate namin dito sa track na to, itong Time, Filipino-Dutch siya. Ang pangalan niya is Cersei. Sobrang husay ng pagkakasulat niya sa kanta. And when we first heard it, talagang nag-resonate agad siya sa amin. Sobrang important nung sinasabi ng kanta na it's all about time. Paano ba natin ginagamit yung oras natin? Paano ba natin binibigyan ng importansya yung mga bagay sa paligid natin? Are we just letting it pass without thinking about it? Na parang kinabukasan, sasabihin natin, ay, sayang hindi ko ginawa yung ganung bagay. Sayang hindi ko ginawa yung best ko. So, yun po yung Time. And pinasok namin yung storya namin dun sa Time kasi tapos na siya technically.
Right.
Pero we try to incorporate our story to make it story ng SB19 talaga. So,
Right. That's beautiful because yun yung maganda sa SB19, hindi lang siya all about commercial success, right? It's about kung ano yung may impart nyo sa listeners ninyo, and we are very proud of y'all for that. Having said that, gusto ko lang tanungin, after all the success na nakamit nyo na, is there anything else that you wish for?
Opo, walang
Bukod
humpay.
bukod sa day 2 na mas-sold out.
Walang humpay sa paggusto talaga eh. Yun po talaga yung SB19 eh. Wala talagang humpay sa paggusto. And for sure, yung 18 talagang gusto pa nila ma-reach namin yung higher heights talaga na talagang ginugol ng SB19. Yung nakikita ko nag-open na yung doors sa dami ng hip-hop groups na nag-a-appear. Talagang nakikita na yung nag-chat yung mga Filipino music. Andiyan yung iba't ibang artist talaga na ginagawa rin yung best nila para ipakilala kung sino yung mga Pinoy. So, ayun po, marami kaming gusto ipagpasalamat, pero right now, siguro, yun lang muna. Yung makapag-share ng music all over the world, that's already a blessing.
Yes, sir. And we could, associate your success with this incredible support crew we like to call 18, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yes,
kausapin ninyo sila. Please extend to them your utmost gratitude. Ano ba yung gusto nyo ipagpasalamat sa kanila at ano yung mensahe nyo sa lahat ng 18? Kanina umuulan dito, by the way.
Kaya nga eh.
And stuck around.
Gusto lang po namin sabihin on behalf of the SB19, we just want to say we are gonna be forever be grateful sa lahat ng support and sa love na na-receive namin throughout our career. And cliche siya, minsan sinasabi namin kasi thank you so much. Pero never ending yung pagiging pasasalamat namin sa kanila kasi sila naman yung pinakaunang rason kung bakit nandito kami ngayon, other than our families. But, in reality, sila talaga yung nagpupush sa amin kaya bakit nakakapag-chart yung kanta namin. And we've been here for like almost 7 years, and then they are still here. That's why we're just so grateful and thankful, and from the bottom of our hearts, di namin talaga ma-explain yung pagiging sobrang laki ng pasasalamat kami sa kanila. That's why maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. We just want to say that we love you guys so much. I hope you magstay tayo. We hope you stay stronger than ever. There's gonna be a lot of struggles ahead. Madaming walls, madaming obstacles na kailangan natin lagpasan the future. But I believe na when we're together, kaya natin lagpasan yun.
Kasama na si JC.
18.
Yes, sir. Very well spoken. Maraming salamat, bro.
Spokesperson po ako talaga ako.
Anyone else would like to add?
Tama.
Meron bang gusto
Hindi, ang
magdagdag?
gusto ko yung sagot ni Ken. Sobra ako. Galing.
Galing.
Yes, sir.
Oo, lapit.
Yes, sir. Kasi pag soft-spoken at matipid sa salita yung tao, pag finally nag-open up, iba yung impact nun. eh.
Yes.
Solid. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Grabe yan mag-open.
Pero circling back to the 18, palakpakan nyo naman yung mga sarili nyo, guys. Thank you so much for your incredible support sa P-Pop, sa SB19, sa Wish, sa OPM in general, and to the 18 na mga nakikita ngayon on the road. If you're not driving, you can clap your hands too for yourselves. Maraming salamat. We are gonna keep you company amidst this Wednesday night rush hour traffic with this sentimental track courtesy of SB19, track entitled Time on Wish 1075.
Yeah.
Feels like I'm dead, but I'm here instead. Please make it stay. And outside my never-ending voice, it hurt 'cause I know it's one day we'll run out. Memories will leave them me. Never goes behind, seeking you won't find. There's no reason not to try. Watching everything from the backseat. You already know what to do. When we have nothing to lose, nothing to walk, we're not changing with. If the lights die, yeah, you never see your face. Inside my never. I'm trying hard 'cause I know what. 'Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave. Anything we can control. I hope you know it's
Wishers 18 very passionately rendered track entitled Time, courtesy of SB19, part of their latest EP entitled Simula. Wakas, that sounds like a movie theme song to me. We are, speaking things into reality here. Maraming salamat. We are wrapping things up for this radio segment. Baka meron kayong, final words to all our radio listeners.
Yes, of course, we just want to say thank you for tuning in. And of course, for the 18 outside, syempre, sa lahat po ng pupunta sa concert. For the day 1, it's all sold out, but for day 2, it's still available. So sana po makita namin kayo doon lahat kasi baka malay nyo si Pablo kaya nga nag-gym, magpakita na po na. Kanyang muscles! Ay! Siyempre, yun po, maraming salamat po and mahal po namin kayo 18 and of course, thank you to everyone.
And sa lahat po siguro ng mga nakikinig ngayon, kung nagustuhan niyo po yung performance or kung nag-resonate sa inyo yung kanta, if gusto niyo pong madinig yung mga performance po namin, available pa po yung day 2. Sana po makapanood kayo. Talagang hindi niyo pagsisisihan kung manonood kayo ng concert ng SB.
Again, thank you so much, Wish Bus, for always having us here po sa inyong napaka-iconic na bus. And para naman po sa mga kababayan natin dyan na wala ngayon sa Pilipinas, pero nakikinig ngayon sa Wish Bus, sana po ay makasama rin namin kayo because we will be having our international tour na malapit na rin po yan. Excited na po kami after ng aming kick-off concert. Kaya naman, kung malapit po kayo sa mga cities na pupuntahan namin, magkita-kita po tayo. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, syempre, thank you rin sa aming Onesie, Sony, and of course, W3 na nakisayaw sa amin dito sa labas.
bigla sumulpot, no?
Thank you guys.
Grabe.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you po.
Thank you, 18. We love you.
Okay, thank you very much. We just staged this incredible grand Wish Bus comeback of SB19 and promotion of Simula at Wakas, both the EP and the back-to-back concert. Congratulations,
Thank you.
boys. And to the people here in attendance, we got something for you. So stick around. Wala mo na uwi. All right? But sa mga radio listeners, no, I'm just kidding. Kaya dapat pumunta kayo sa Wish Bus venues natin, right? We got plenty. But anyway, maraming salamat. We're wrapping things up. This is Wish 107.5.